What was the long-term impact of Project Gemini? Have you ever wondered how the United States made such incredible strides in space exploration during the 1960s? One of the key players in this journey was Project Gemini. This program, which took place in the mid-1960s, was essential for shaping the future of human spaceflight. So, what was the long-term impact of Project Gemini? Let's break it down. First off, Project Gemini was the first program to successfully demonstrate complex orbital maneuvers. Astronauts learned how to change a spacecraft's orbit and perform rendezvous and docking with another spacecraft. These skills were vital for the Apollo missions, which needed to dock the lunar module with the command module in lunar orbit. This expertise laid the groundwork for all future missions that involved docking, including those of the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station. Another significant achievement of Project Gemini was proving that astronauts could live and work in space for extended periods. The missions lasted up to 2 weeks, a huge leap from earlier missions. This endurance was crucial for the longer Apollo missions and set the stage for today's long-term stays aboard the International Space Station. Project Gemini also marked the first American spacewalk, known as extravehicular activity. This experience taught astronauts how to work safely outside their spacecraft. The techniques and training developed during Gemini continue to influence how astronauts perform spacewalks today. Technological advancements were another key impact of Project Gemini. The program introduced new technologies, such as fuel cells for power. These innovations provided longer-lasting and more reliable energy sources for spacecraft, supporting the development of future spacecraft systems. The two-astronaut crew system used in Gemini allowed NASA to test teamwork and communication under real spaceflight conditions. This experience prepared astronauts for the more complex Apollo missions that followed. The legacy of Project Gemini extends beyond its own missions. The knowledge and procedures developed during this program have been used in every crewed spaceflight since then. This includes the Space Shuttle missions, International Space Station operations, and even planned missions to Mars and near-Earth asteroids. From a 1960s nostalgia perspective, Project Gemini represented American ingenuity and determination during a time of fierce competition in the space race. It symbolized the confidence and optimism of the decade, proving that humans could not only survive but also thrive in space. The success of Project Gemini helped the United States meet President John F. Kennedy's ambitious goal of landing a man on the moon before the decade ended. This achievement marked a proud moment in 1960s history and inspired generations to look toward the stars. In summary, the long-term impact of Project Gemini was profound. It established essential capabilities for human spaceflight beyond Earth's atmosphere, enabling the moon landings and setting the stage for ongoing human presence in space.